Hey guys, what's up? It's Wyatt and Alex. So we just got the manual trans put on the K24 yesterday. Looking good, a lot smaller, a lot less weight, super nice. And we're gonna see how it fits. We got it on a transmission jack and just gonna sort of see where it lays out in the car and go from there and see what happens. So yeah, let's get after it. Oh. Just about. We've got like 2 minutes. Okay, help me with this, Alex.
Two front wheels over there are solid. Remember?
Yeah, drag it back that way. Let's line it up. Okay. Now let's drag it this way.
Alright.
Okay, you got it? Okay, you can do all the work. I'm gonna film you.
It's something ended like that ain't sketchy at all.
Not at all, is it?
You've got miles room in there, holy crap now.
Yeah, that's what I figured. You need to go to the left a little bit.
You hit them pulleys.
Yep. Okay, let's try right around there. Alright. Yeah, we'll just try it and then we can go from there.
Oh, not right there, you think?
Yep, sure.
You good?
I guess so. Guess we're gonna find out. It's gonna need to come back.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I don't know how far.
Go right there for now.
Okay.
Let me grab the... There you go. Get that out of the way. Shit. Is it good on that side so far?
No.
Oh.
Needs to come back.
Okay. Yeah, it does. Okay. Good on the pulleys and everything? Need to go back a little more?
Yeah. A bit more,
Okay.
actually.
Yeah. What is up, Gus?
That.
Right you are. Alright. Is it good on the back
Yeah,
side?
we're good now. Oh. Hit something. But...
Yeah, it was just the battery cable popping.
Oh, okay.
See if you can go forward a little bit just so we miss that mount, which we'll remove.
Scary moment.
It is. Trying to see if we moved enough material. Little bit more.
I think that's gonna get in your way.
It is probably gonna get in our way. Okay. So that's maxed out now. So now we get to use the jack to actually raise it up. Alright, so that's tight, but that'll clear. That is super tight, but it should clear.
Rated ain't tight around the pulleys.
Yeah, so we can pull the motor this way. Yep, so we'll be back with you guys in a second. We're gonna sort of move some stuff around just so I have two hands so we can muscle it around. Yeah. I was actually able to ignore my nut spacers, but I was able to build up a couple mounts. I've got a subframe underneath it now. You can sort of see part of it through there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just tacked in for now. But I'm gonna sort of triangulate everything underneath and try and get it as strong as possible, but it's not moving anywhere. Solid motor mount, so it's gonna feel a little bit more vibration, but it's a little bit easier to do, and it'll be cool. I'm just excited where it's gonna be a little sports car. Give you more of a connection to the car, but yeah, right now I'm just gonna end up taking the rear subframe out that we just built and go from there. So yeah, right on. You ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Wait, you mean like live together?
When you told me your mom was gonna cut you off, I had to do something. We can stay here for the rest of the year.
I just got those bolts out of there. Super long, took forever, but they're out finally. So we are going to give it a try and see if we can get this thing dropped out of there. Boom. Done. Almost. So now what's left is to get it welded up, get everything looking good, and then we should be good to go. Should be set. Motor's in. After that, then I just gotta make sure, get everything cleaned up, get all the welds finished, and yeah, it'll be good. It will be good.